Okay, good morning. So at this point, we will talk about H and V lookup, and we will try to compare what is the difference between these two very important functions in Microsoft Excel. So basically, V lookup stands for vertical lookup, and just try to remember the syntax. So all you need to do is to enter equals sign and then type the word V lookup. And normally when you type the keyword, there will be a drop down, and all you need to do is to double click, and you will have the syntax. So the component of this syntax are first is the lookup value. So this should be a numerical value, and the table array. This means this will be the reference table where we can find a match of our given lookup value. And then next is the column index. So this is the column where we can find a match of our given lookup value. And then the range of lookup is we will look for the exact match, while the other one is the approximate match. So for example, this is our normally the first column is the lookup value. So as you can see, this is numerical, and uh, we will look for a match. So for example, in ID number 106, we will look for a match as to what is the or who is the owner of this ID number, what is the gender, what is the address, and what is the email address. So by doing so, we will try to here, if we're going to look for the name of this given ID number, then all we need to do is to use VLookup. Again, I will click, and then 106 is located at A7, as you can see. And then we will just separate each value with a comma. So if we are looking for the name, as you can see, the name is located in the second column. And so the table array as well is this table covering from A1 up to E15. Okay, and then comma. So again, the name is located or belongs or is in column 2. No? So we will put here number 2. And then for range of range lookup, all we need to do is to select false, because this will help us find an exact match. Okay, so again, the difference between true and false is false will give us the exact match, while the true value is the approximate match. And then we have completed our VLookup, and then let's hit enter. Now, as you can see, ID number 106 belongs to Jerome. Okay, and then let's try to find out the gender. So the same process, VLookup, and then 106 is located at A7, comma, same table value or table array, and then comma again. Now at this point, let's look for the gender that's located at the column 3. Then exact value is false. Then let's hit OK. So same goes with the city address. VLookup, and then A7, comma, same table, and then comma, and then column 4 for city address and false, and so on. So I want you to try this one. So basically, what happened was we just changed the column. The rest of the formula is the same, no? Because we are just looking for a match in every column. So that's about VLookup.